Hey guys, I'm Andre Cruz and welcome to Health as Well. This week we have a special edition because it is Holly's birthday, so we're going to be celebrating her today. She turns 4 years old and her birthday is January 28th and she was born in 2016. So we're going to be doing full rounds of 1 minute of running, jogging, walking, or just playing with your dog.
You don't even know.
28 air squats. And then 16 hand release push-ups. If you're fast, you can get this workout done in about 10 minutes. If you need a little bit more time, you can get it done anywhere between 15 and 18 minutes. Let's get after it.
It's cold, it's cold. But I must film without a giant jacket on.
Holly, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, come here, girl. Holly, come here. Hey, excuse me. You come here. Come here, girl. Come here. What's up, guys? Holly's birthday. She just turned 4 years old, so we're doing a